You're paying $10 a month for a streaming service you barely use. Seems harmless, right? Wrong. That single subscription is quietly stealing over $100,000 from your future. And it's not alone. Let me show you the math that nobody wants you to see. Meet Sarah. She's 25, makes decent money, and considers herself financially responsible. She's got Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, a gym membership, iCloud storage, and a couple of apps she forgot she was even paying for. She tallies it up one day. $12 here, $15 there, $10 for this. Total, about $150 a month. That's fine, she thinks. It's only $5 a day. Less than a coffee. But Sarah just made a $100,000 mistake. Here's what actually happened. That $150 a month seems small. But let's do what financial advisors call the opportunity cost calculation, what you're really giving up. $150 a month invested in an index fund averaging 10% annual returns over 40 years becomes $948,000. That's not a typo, nearly $1 million. But here's the scarier part. Sarah's subscriptions actually cost $180 a month because she forgot about two she doesn't use. Most people underestimate by 30 to 40%. That's $1.1 million she's trading away. For what? Content she watches maybe twice a week, and a gym she visits twice a month. Even just cutting half $90 a month, and investing it would give her $474,000 by retirement. That's a paid-off house. That's retiring 5 years early. That's freedom. Companies design subscriptions to be invisible. $10 a month doesn't trigger your brain's expensive alarm. It's the financial equivalent of death by 1,000 cuts. They make cancelling annoying, they auto-renew, and they count on you forgetting. The average person has 6 to 8 subscriptions but only actively uses 3 to 4. You're literally paying for nothing. And here's the psychological trick. They price it as less than a coffee or only $10 because they know you won't calculate the lifetime cost. They're banking on you not doing the math. Right now, pull out your bank statement, add up every single recurring charge, multiply by 12. That's your yearly subscription tax. Now multiply that by 40 years. Scared, you should be. Ask yourself, would I pay $100,000 for Netflix today? Because that's what you're doing. Would I give up a paid-off house for Spotify? Because that's the trade. Every subscription is a choice. You're choosing immediate entertainment over future wealth. That's fine if it's intentional, but most people never made that choice consciously. Here's what you do today. Cancel everything, yes, everything. Then add back only what you actually can't live without. You'll probably cut 50% without noticing. Take that money and set up an automatic investment into a low-cost index fund. Make it automatic so you don't see it. In 40 years, you'll thank yourself. Or you can keep all your subscriptions and in 40 years, wonder where your retirement went. The subscription trap is designed to keep you comfortable while stealing your future. The question is, are you going to let it? Hit subscribe if you want more financial truth bombs nobody else will tell you. See you in the next one.